All right, guys, time for our second and final autograph basketball break from Series 14, the Jordan Series. This is our last chance. We struck out on the shoes. We pulled a Jerry West out of the first one, which is nice, but we want that Jordan. So hopefully this is box 68. Hopefully this is it. So every spot gives you 3 random teams. So Caleb's got 1 spot in this. Frank's got 1, Craig S. with 1, Rick's got 2, and then Brent, you've got 5 in this. So let's see who in the random's going to get the Bulls. Let's go ahead and randomize the teams 5 times first. All right, every spot's going to give you 3 random teams. All right, here we go. So Brent, you've got the Raptors, the Clippers, the Cavs, the Bucks, the Wizards, Rockets, Heat, Nuggets, Hornets, Mavericks, Pelicans, Jazz, Nets, Timberwolves, and the Lakers. Caleb's got the Trailblazers, the Sixers, and the Warriors. Craig, you got them, man. You've got the Bulls, the Magic, and the Thunder. Frank's got the Pistons, Grizzlies, and the Celtics. And then, Rick, you've got the Hawks, Kings, Pacers, Spurs, Knicks, and the Suns. All right, there are your teams. Come on, man. Let's pull that Jordan. So 68 out of 100. Pull that Jordan out of here. I might take my shirt off and go running, screaming up and down the neighborhood. Scare the crap out of the neighbors. It'd be worth it. Come on. Let's see it, MJ. Oh my gosh. About had a freaking heart attack. Guess he's upper deck. So the name started with a Michael, and I about peed myself. Unfortunately, it's not the Michael. Rookie of the Year 13-14. And then I haven't heard much from him. It's going to be a Michael Carter Williams. So it is Rookie of the Year inscribed. So that's going to be based on the team he played for that year. So Steiner authenticated. All right, so let's see who that was. That like Charlotte or something? Who did he play for? Or maybe it was the Bulls. No, it's Philadelphia. Yeah, that is a womp womp. So Philadelphia, which is linked the service too, so that works out. He's bounced around quite a bit. Dude, his best season was his Rookie of the Year season, and then he just went down every year. So that is going to be the Sixers, which is going to be Caleb. Caleb, that one is you. Man, Jordan's eluding us. Autograph stuff is not easy to pull. They had an autograph jersey series, but it was too expensive. So we'll keep an eye out, man. More stuff for any of these Jordan series. We'll jump back in and grab more. And man, it's just a matter of time. Hopefully we get lucky. So we'll get that basketball in the mail to Caleb. And appreciate you guys filling it. Wish it was a bigger name. I thought it was it, dude. I don't know why I was thinking Steiner. He's all upper deck stuff. But